Welcome to Getting Ready to Learn. My name is Donna Whitehead and I'm proud to be Deputy Vice-Chancellor at the University of South Wales. I want to welcome you to our university. It is a pleasure to have you as a member of our fantastic community, and I hope you find these materials useful. As Deputy Vice-Chancellor, my job is to ensure that you have the very best student experience and to ensure that you achieve brilliant outcomes during your studies and when you graduate. As well as being passionate about your experience, we are also passionate about making a positive impact on the world. We train the teachers, accountants, nurses, midwives, filmmakers, engineers, lawyers. I could go on. By enabling all of our students, you, to solve the big challenges facing the world and to be the agents of change that the world so desperately needs, that is where the most significant impact happens. We can't wait to work in partnership with you to achieve these outcomes. You are going to be provided with lots of information during the first few weeks of your arrival. Please don't let these overwhelm you. There is a lot of support available to you to help. I'm so proud to say that our staff are routinely referred to as kind, supportive and caring. So, if at any point you are confused or you are struggling, please reach out to any one of us. During your first few weeks at the university, you will hear about the great support that is available to you from places and people like the Advice Zone and your course leader. We know that the pandemic has made things very challenging for us all over the last couple of years. Our staff did a great job in supporting our students during this time, and we are now so excited to welcome you all to our campuses as we return to face-to-face on-site delivery. The teaching approach we use is called active learning. This means that you are an active participant in all teaching sessions. You learn and develop by working with fellow students and academic staff to solve problems and challenges. We need you to participate in activities, to share your thoughts and ideas, and to challenge others. This way, you'll get the most out of being at USW, and others will too. That's enough from me. I just want to finish by saying that we want you to succeed and we are here to help. Most importantly, enjoy yourself. I will look forward to hearing about how you get on with your life at USW.